Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode of Body Sculpt. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the paleo diet, a lifestyle that takes us back to our ancestral roots and promotes optimal health through natural eating. In this episode, we'll explore what the paleo diet entails, its benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your own life. So, let's get started. To begin, let's understand the fundamentals of the paleo diet. The paleo diet, also known as the Paleolithic or caveman diet, is based on the premise of consuming foods that were available to our hunter-gatherer ancestors. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods and eliminates modern processed foods that have become staples in our diets. Essentially, we're adopting a more primal way of eating. Now that we know the basis of the paleo diet, let's explore the foods that are encouraged. The foundation of the paleo diet consists of fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meats, fish, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. These foods are rich in nutrients, fiber, and essential fatty acids, providing a well-rounded approach to nutrition. One of the key aspects of the paleo diet is the exclusion of processed foods and refined sugars. We bid farewell to processed grains, refined oils, dairy products, and artificial additives. By eliminating these culprits, we aim to reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support overall gut health. Now, let's discuss the numerous benefits associated with following the paleo diet. Firstly, it promotes weight loss by encouraging a higher intake of protein and healthy fats, which help you feel full and satisfied. Additionally, the elimination of processed foods and refined sugars can lead to improved energy levels and better sleep patterns. Moreover, the paleo diet has been linked to reduced inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improved heart health. By consuming nutrient-dense foods and avoiding additives, we support our body's natural healing processes and enhance our overall well-being. Incorporating the paleo diet into your lifestyle may seem daunting at first, but here are some practical tips to get you started. Begin by focusing on whole foods, such as fresh produce, lean meats, and fish. Experiment with new recipes and flavors, using herbs and spices to enhance your meals. Planning and meal prepping can also help you stay on track and avoid falling back into old habits. It's important to remember that the paleo diet is flexible. You can adapt it to your specific needs and preferences. For instance, if you're vegetarian, you can emphasize plant-based proteins and include legumes. The goal is to prioritize real, unprocessed foods while making sustainable choices that work for you. Before we conclude, let's address some common concerns associated with the paleo diet. Critics argue that the exclusion of grains and dairy may lead to nutrient deficiencies. However, by consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, you can obtain all the necessary vitamins and minerals your body requires. Additionally, some worry that the paleo diet is too restrictive or expensive. While it may require adjustments to your shopping habits, focusing on whole foods can actually be cost-effective in the long run. And remember, it's about prioritizing your health and making conscious choices, and that's a wrap, folks. Today, we embarked on an enlightening journey into the paleo diet. We explored its principles, benefits, and practical tips for implementation. Remember, the paleo diet offers a holistic approach to eating, bringing us closer to our ancestral roots and fostering overall well-being. Thanks for tuning into Body Sculpt. Until next time, stay committed to your health goals, and remember, you have the power to sculpt the best version of yourself. See you soon.